Guys, and we're back with another video. And so today I'll just be showing you how to make slime. So first, let me find somewhere to put my camera. Move all my slime things out of the way. Move. Okay. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you guys how to make this slime, and I'll probably upload this video about 3 o'clock. I'll put it about 3. That's it. Now where am I going to put this? Okay. This should be a good spot. And so, first thing first, what you have to do is you need Elmer's glue, a mixing tool, something to mix in, and Tide laundry detergent. At least that's what I use, and a little bit in the cap. Ah, it smells so good. Okay. So firstly, if there's color missing, I'm gonna go rinse that out. So let me go do it. And then, guys, after you rinse this off, make sure to dry it off completely. Make sure to dry the spoon off, and if you want to rinse out the bowl, you can. Just make sure to dry the bowl out. So firstly, you have to add glue. The more slime you add is the more slime. The more glue you add is the more slime you will have. So, and I got a whole nother jug. I don't care if I use it. And then you will need laundry detergent. So let me show you guys how much slime I put. I put that much glue. And then you gotta pour the laundry detergent. And you don't need a lot. Because if you add too much, like I added too much, it got a little bit watery. And so they came together. And you can add color, so I think I want to do. Let's see. Guys, this looks like Deadpool. Red and black Deadpool. Totally. Okay. Let me make another red. So you want to take it on a spoon and just pour however much red you want. And then take it with your hand. And then I use my thumb and my finger, my pointing finger, to mix the color in. So as you can see, oh my gosh, it's so sticky. It's like sticky. But it will be a little bit sticky, but then when you start to mix it in, it will not be sticky. It will be like regular slime. And guys, this is not with borax, because my mom won't buy me borax because it's toxic. And my other friend across the hall, she used borax, and I hope she's not making it because I can break her skin. And my other friend at school, she brought slime to school, and she said when I started touching it, she said that she made it out of borax. I said, oh, that's why I was starting to get a little bit hot, so it burned my hands. And I had to go to the nurse, and she said just put some ice on it. So if that ever happens to you kids out there, just put ice on it. It will really help. Or either if ice doesn't help, which it didn't, I had to go to urgent care and see what they could do about it. Alright. So guys, it took me about 3 minutes to mix this. No, about 10 seconds. And it's red. So there it is, and I'm just going to add it with my other one. These two kind of look the same. Do those look the same, guys? Those look the same? I think they do. So I'm just going to mix it. And sorry guys. Alright. Sorry about all the noise. And guys, if you want me to sell your slime, Don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't put your address down in the comments. Please don't. If you've already done it and you want slime. All you have to do is just subscribe and follow me on Musical.ly. And I gotta come on Musical.ly and do that too. After I upload this video right now, then I'll go on my Musical.ly and post live videos. So don't forget to go on there. Shout out to Mina Girl. She's also on YouTube. Go follow her on Mina Fair. And guys, it's so good. Alright guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And comment down below any suggestions. So, hey.